Hi, I'm Mark Welke, Senior Director of Platform Marketing at NetApp. Joining me today is Jay Kidd, our Chief Technology Officer. We're going to talk to you today about the extensive investment that NetApp has in flash technologies. Jay, arguably we have one of the most extensive portfolios in the industry. It includes our all-flash arrays, our hybrid arrays, as well as server-side host caching. Can you tell the audience why it's so important that we've invested in all three areas?
So flash brings a level of capability to storage which is disruptive. In round numbers, flash is about 100 times faster than disk and about 10 times the cost. So that means it is going to show up everywhere in the stack. So we need to have a play with flash every place where it's going to show up. We have Flash Excel to control flash in the application host. We have hybrid storage arrays in our ONTAP and E-Series line to combine flash and disk. And we have all flash arrays with FlashArray in our EF series. We're placing bets everywhere flash is going to show up, and it's going to show up everywhere.
Great, so let's look at our hybrid arrays. I mean, these are really taking off in the market and offer some real distinct advantages. Can you tell us about those?
So with flash, there's a real benefit in putting a little bit of flash to front end a lot of disk. Since in most applications, only a little bit of the data is frequently accessed, so if you can get that to reside in flash, the whole application performs better. And you keep most of the cool data on disk, which are less expensive than flash, and you get the best price performance and the best benefit of good performance with the economics of a hybrid system.
Well, now I understand why they're taking off. Let's shift gears and take a look at all flash arrays. Now, NetApp is really unique in the industry in the fact that we've chosen to develop two different architectures for flash to really meet the needs in the market. Can you talk about those?
So we see two pretty distinct segments in the all-flash market. There's a set of customers that want the maximum possible I/O performance, and they're going to string a lot of all-flash arrays together under a large application that serves a huge number of customers or a big workload. They want the best possible performance all-flash arrays. That's what we serve with our EF series. Then there's a set of customers that will use flash as another level of their storage, another service level. And they're going to want to have multiple workloads, storage efficiency technologies, sophisticated data recovery and backup technologies. That's where FlashArray will go in the all-flash product line.
Thanks. One last question. Where do you see this technology in this market going?
So flash is going to be everywhere. The economics are being driven by consumer electronics. The benefits of performance in flash, and as the costs come down, it'll cover more and more of the workloads in the enterprise. Flash is going to be everywhere, and NetApp's going to be everywhere in flash.
Great. Well, thank you, Jay, and thanks for joining.